Today I am going to take a writing topic, letter writing, and it comes under long compositions. You have already learned letter writing in class 4th and 5th, and so this is just a recapitulation or revision. Children, in this modern world, letter writing has lost its relevance because we have easier methods. We can send SMS, we can message in WhatsApp and many other apps, very easy, telephone. So, letter writing has lost its sheen. But I would like to tell you one thing, children. That feeling of getting a letter, it's quite different. When you get a letter from your friend, your mom, your cousin, that feeling is quite different from reading a short message on your mobile screen. So, there are people who still prefer to write letters. So, children, it's in this term you have to learn informal letter writing, and the format is very simple. And before that, I would like to tell you that there are two types of letters, informal and formal. Informal letters, you write informal letters to your friends, your parents, your cousins, your relatives. It's very simple, casual. Whereas formal letters are written to your principal, your class teacher, officials, business organizations. These are official letters or business letters. So, the format of informal letter is very simple compared to a formal letter. This is very easy. First, you have to write the sender's address. It's given here, sender's address. And you know that it's your address. Don't write your name, only address. And then the date. The format of the date is 11 September 2020. Never write 11/9/2020. That's the wrong format. And then it's a salutation. Salutation means greeting the person or addressing that person. And then the body of the letter. This body of the letter you have to use very simple language. And only, it should be what you want to convey. No need to write more, and you have to stick to the word limit. And then there is the closing. Closing means, what is closing? Yeah, you have to end the letter. Give a good, a kind of a pleasantry, like eagerly waiting for your reply, and convey my regards to your parents and all that. And then your signature and the sender's name. So this is it. This is the format. You can see it here. Here are two models. You can, these are the models. You just go through it and copy it in your classwork. So this is article. Article writing is also an art. You write an article for a magazine or for your school magazine or for a newspaper or something. Here you can write an article about any topic. And this is a kind of, through your article you are talking to the reader. So this is very important, children. And here you can see the format, the title or heading, so that you have to make a very attractive one, very a captivating title, because only after reading the title the reader will decide whether he should read the article or not. And then it's a byline. That's your name, by your name. Then you have to give the introduction. Introduction means you have to give the definition of the topic, or you can even start with a quotation or something which is related to the topic. And after that, it's a development of the topic. For example, if your topic is global warming, You can start with the definition like global warming means it's the increase in temperature of Earth's surface. Then after that you can discuss its causes, then its effect, and lastly you can give the remedies. So this is the development of the topic, and lastly summing up. Here you have to include some recommendations, some steps taken, that is remedy. Summing up is nothing but just the remedy, and at last you will conclude it with a hope, optimistic always. Never give any negative comments at the end. So this is all about article. So there are a few articles, I have given one or two. These are just examples, you have to just go through it. You need not by heart them. You also have some articles in your English classwork which are related to your lessons. So read those topics very well, like value of time, then about reading, then about leisure, then about cruelty on animals. So all these topics, just go through all these topics and practice well. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.